at home for microscopy. You should watch it. So hi friends, Anmol Samsuhang here and welcome back to ARS Biologicals, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find spirogyra algae. So I've come to a nearby creek, so let me show you the view. So friends, this is the view of our creek and you can listen to the water flowing around, and over here I have spotted some algae growing on this small stagnant water body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect some samples from here. So friends, I have carried some container and a forceps. So I'm going to open the cap, and as you all can see, some algae have been growing on. I'm going to take this algae and put it in my specimen container, just like this, okay, just like this. Here we go, some more, okay. So friends, if you haven't watched my video on how to culture algae at home for microscopy, you should watch it. As you all can see friends, I have collected this much of algae. What I am going to do is to carry some water also with me, so the sample won't get dried up. So I'm going to cap it. So let's get back to our home and observe it under the microscope. So friends, I've reached my home and here is our specimen. So collected specimen. I think it has turned a mess, but no, it will work because the algae are live. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking a microscope slide, a forceps, that forceps which I used earlier. I'm going to take small amount of algae. Okay, this is big. Okay, wait a minute. So as I have algae on my hand, I'm going to place it on the microscope slide. As you all can see, I'm going to place, okay, I'm going to place a microscope cover slip on top of this. So okay, no air bubbles have formed. Okay, here we go. Now I have my microscope over here and I'm going to place it. Let me show you, and I'm going to place it on the microscope slide, just like this. Let's turn the magnification to 10x. Now I'm going to observe it under the microscope. Let's get in. Okay friends, excuse me for my cat, they're everywhere in many of my videos. So let me move the slide a little bit. And friends, what I was expecting really turned that it is an spirogyra algae. So you must see it. So friends, as you all can see in the video, it's going nice, and that is our spirogyra algae. And there are some other kinds of organisms also floating too. Let me show you one time-lapse video. So as you all have seen that time-lapse video, it is kind of great. There are some spirogyra is present in abundance, and except spirogyra there are other kinds of organisms like ciliates, diatoms, and I don't know, that may be a bloodworm, and parameciums are also there. Different kinds of organisms are present over there. And talking about spirogyra, there are more than 400 species of spirogyra in the world, and friends, they are mostly found in freshwater, and hence also known as freshwater silk water, or simply water silk. So friends, they are kind of beautiful algae, and the process by which they reproduce is known as fragmentation. And in fragmentation, a long cell divides into small fragments or small pieces, so that is fragmentation. It's kind of an asexual reproduction in which no partner or no male and female gamete is fused or is needed. So friends, as you all can see, it's kind of going well. It's a beautiful view of algae. Okay, that's great.